Welcome to my tincture workstation. This is Dr. Sola, and today I'll be showing you what I do to make a personalized tincture. I have a patient who wants respiratory support during this global pandemic, so I have chosen a powerful blend from Wise Woman Herbals called Respiratory Support that consists of 9 different herbs that support the respiratory system. I will list a common name and then the Latin name in parentheses. This is just like when doctors need to be familiar with both the generic name for a drug and the brand name. Alright, the first herb is called Erta Dioica. It's also known as stinging nettle. This reduces inflammation and allergies, lowers blood pressure in those with hypertension, and blood glucose in those with diabetes. It's highly nutritive with vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. It has minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. And it reduces joint and lower back pain, which was one of the things that this patient had. The next herb is called Astragalus, also known as Astragalus membranaceus. It is a classic energy tonic that improves physical endurance and helps us adapt to stress. It protects the liver and the brain, boosts the immune system, and improves heart function by vasodilating the vessels. The third herb is called Chinese thorough-wax, also known as Bupleurum falcatum. It helps us adapt to stress, reduces inflammation, boosts the immune system, and protects the liver in those with hepatitis. Next one is called corn silk, also known as Zea mays. This is full of antioxidants, reduces inflammation and irritation in the kidneys and the urinary system, and lowers blood pressure in those with hypertension and blood glucose in those with diabetes. The next herb is called elecampane, also known as Inula helenium. This soothes and heals any irritated or inflamed lining of the respiratory system, boosts the immune system, helps with cough seen in COPD, bronchitis, croup, etc. And it helps with dry, irritating coughs to any of those wet, mucousy, productive coughs by loosening up the phlegm and helping you cough out those mucus. The next herb is called Yerba Santa. This is also known as Eriotictium californicum. It serves as an antiviral and antibacterial. It also helps with dry, irritating cough seen in the common cold, bronchitis, asthma, etc. And it helps with fever and clear congestion seen in the upper respiratory conditions. Next is mullein. This is also known as Verbascum thapsus. It reduces inflammation in the respiratory system, serves as an antiviral and antibacterial, and it helps with those dry, irritating coughs and helps loosens phlegm and coughing out excess mucus in those wet, productive coughs. Last but not least, we have horseradish, also known as Amaracea rusticana. This reduces inflammation in the upper respiratory tract and helps reduce spasmodic coughs seen in bronchitis, laryngitis, and the common cold. In the best interest of the patient, I am adding a gemmo made from the bud extracts of oak, also known as Quercus peduncula. Oak is the American ginseng of gemmos. It stimulates testosterone production, calms down the adrenal glands, which are responsible for secreting the stress hormone, also known as cortisol. It serves as an antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer. Helps with constipation, which is what was also seen in the patient. And the mental note of this gemmo is for someone who is overworked and fatigued, wants a higher sexual libido, wants strength and endurance, and wants the knowledge of when to say it's enough. If you picture an oak tree, what do you see? It's majestic, massive, tall, strong, and rigid, but it's also flexible. This tree's essence is carried into the person by taking it in the form of a gemmo. How to take a tincture. The first step is to shake your tincture bottle. And then you can directly take it underneath the tongue, or you can put it into your drink of your choice. I like water, so I'm going to put it in here. So when it says to take 1 dropper full, we're not talking about 1 drop. We're talking about 1 dropper full, which is 30 drops. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze this top part, let it go, and it's going to fill up to 1 dropper full. And this is 30 drops. So let's go ahead and put it into our drink. Let's drink up. Cheers.